Welcome back. Disciplinary Committee of GPCC has begun its process of probing its leaders who worked against the party during recent Lok Sabha election. 4 top Congress leaders have been issued show-cause notices. 2 of the leaders say they have not received any notices, while Joachim Allemau says party can initiate action against him if he is found guilty. Valenka Allemau was unavailable for comments.
Following poll debacle, Congress is now in action mode against few of its leaders for alleged anti-party activity. Disciplinary Committee of GPCC has begun the investigation. 4 top Congress leaders are under committee's scanner. Committee has issued show-cause notices to candidate Ravi Naik, Francisco Xavier, Joachim Allemau and Valenka Allemau. These leaders allegedly work against the party during Lok Sabha poll. Prudent contacted 4 of these. They said, Ravi Naik, I have not received any notice. Francisco Xavier, I am in Delhi, I will be in Goa next week. I am unaware of any such notice. Joachim Allemau, I am in Mumbai. I have received notice at my Goa office. I will reply to notice within stipulated time. I have never worked against party. Congress party can take action if I am guilty. Valenka Allemau, no response. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Ponda Police has requested Cyber Cell of Goa Police to take over the investigation in the case of Facebook post of Sudin Davlikar's mob picture in a 2-piece. Earlier, Ponda Police had registered a case under Information Technology Act against a US-based Goan NRI Savio Almeida. Savio Almeida has questioned Goa Police on various complaints where police showed laxity or denied filing of a FIR.
Ponda Police on Monday had registered a FIR in the case of posting a mock picture of Goa's PWD Minister Sudin Davlikar in a skirt on social networking site Facebook. Earlier, complainant Pradeep Bakle had filed a complaint with Ponda Police against Goa-born NRI Savio Almeida for posting mock picture of Sudin Davlikar.
फेसबुकाच्या तर्फे एक विडंबन करून एक बिकनी आणि मिनी स्कर्ट अशा वेशात त्या मनशान तकली लायली सुद्धा दवरली आणि फेसबुकाचेर ते चित्र घातलें. जेन्ना हांवें ते फेसबुकाचेर चित्र घातलेलें तेन्ना हांवें तेजी कॉपी काडली आनी एक सावियो आल्मेदा सारको मनीस तो हांव वळखना तेणें आमच्या नेत्याचेर हें जें चिखलफेकूच म्हणल्यार जाता केल्लें आसा तेजें नांव खराब करपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा. ताका लागून हांवें फोंडा पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर ह्या सावियो आल्मेदाचे विरुद्ध कंप्लेन दिल्ली आसा.
Acting upon Pradeep Bakle's complaint, Ponda Police registered FIR under Information Technology Act and initiated the process to hand over the investigation to Cyber Cell. Savio Almeida spoke exclusively to Prudent from Texas, America.
There is no freedom of speech expression in Goa. What to say about the Goa government? The Home Department has totally collapsed. I would have appreciated the Home Department if they have acted in the same manner which they acted in this case. The Mapsa lady who went to the police station with bleeding and all blood on his body, they refused to register the complaint. Mr. Dudgadas Kamat have filed a complaint against Mutalik and the police didn't act. That means common men have no value in Goa.
Sudin Davlikar's mock picture in a 2-piece was posted on Facebook over his controversial statement that wearing bikinis should be banned on Goan beaches. Reporters Mukesh Kumar and Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Pope Francis' ambassador to India, Archbishop Salvatore Pinacio, is expected in Goa for the exposition of St. Francis Xavier in November this year. The Archbishop will be present for the concluding Mass for the exposition. Father Alfred Vaz informed this and said the inaugural Mass for the exposition will be celebrated by Archbishop of Bombay, Cardinal Oswald Gracious.
St. Francis Xavier's exposition is just 4 months away. All eyes were set to see the Pope witness the exposition in Goa. However, Pope has rejected the invite to visit Goa for the exposition due to inability to attend the event.
No, the Pope will not be coming for the exposition because he had already declined because he is not able to make it this time. Okay, so for the inaugural ceremony, the Cardinal Oswald Gracious from Bombay, he is coming. And for the closing ceremony, the Pronuncio, the ambassador of the Pope, Archbishop Salvador Pinacho, he will be here. So he will be conducting the closing ceremony. Yeah.
From where are they? From which state?
Yeah, Archbishop Oswald is from Archbishop of Bombay, and the Pronuncio will be coming from New Delhi.
Further regarding security, how will the security?
The security concerns will be totally taken care of by the state government. They have been doing it in the past also, and this year also they'll be taking care of that.
The exposition will be held from November 22nd till January 4th. Relics of St. Francis are open for public once in 10 years. Inaugural Mass for the exposition will be celebrated by Archbishop of Bombay, Cardinal Oswald Gracious. The inaugural Mass during the exposition will be held in Konkani as the Archbishop of Bombay is a Goan. Committee informed that the morning Masses at Old Goa will be held in Konkani, while the English Masses will be in English. Remaining Masses during the noon time will be according to the demands by the pilgrims. Around 50 lakh people are expected to witness the exposition. This year the theme for the exposition is Faith Creates Communion, Strengthens Family, Commissions to Renew Society. The exposition this time is expected to have devotees from across the globe. With Bureau Input, senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.